Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up because it really helps my channel. So thank you in advance for that. I so appreciate it. And today is quick and easy day, so we are making this cute little treat holder. These little candies came from the Dollar Tree. You get 4 of them. And of course, I don't know if you're all from the areas that they raise the prices, so everything instead of $1 is $1.25 now. Some things really upset me. I watch now for what I'm buying because some things aren't worth $1.25. $1, yes, but $1.25, I'm not sure. So anyway, I shouldn't complain. But, you know, when you're used to paying $1 and then they raise it to $1.25, you're like, okay, why is it called the Dollar Tree now? Anyway, this is worth $1.25, I thought, for the 4 of them. So you get all 4, and it says even on here, Happy Valentines, and it says February 14th on it. It's so cute. I love these, and I thought they'd be super cute for a treat holder. Anyway, this is what we're going to make. I'm using our Stampin' Up! Clear envelopes. Y'all, these come in so handy. I use these when I'm doing swaps. And so we put our swaps inside these clear envelopes, but they come in so handy for other things. So we're using one of these, and that's the little thing that I put this in. You can actually, you don't need it. You can glue this right to the front if you want, but it looks so cute and so professional in the little bag like that. So this is what I'm sharing today. It's really, really easy, and it's really a quick one. The designer series paper I'm using is the new Sweet Talk. You can use any scrap. I just happen to have scrap of this little red heart one right here. And you can use this purple and then put your back piece, your stitched piece behind it. Purple if you want. There's so many things you can do. This paper is so, so cute. I love this. I just ordered another one because I'm really going through it pretty quick because I'm doing pretty much all my Valentines from this. I love it. All right, so we're using that. The stamp sets that we're using is the Sweet Conversations. I'm using the Happy Valentine's Day, and then I am just using the dies, the Sweetheart dies. I'm using a large one and a smaller one for this. And then I'm using the Stitch So Sweetly. And I pulled out the one that I'm using, and I'll tell you the size of that one when we get to it. And then the clear envelopes, and I just pulled one of those out as well. All right, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to grab another one of those chocolates, and we are just going to stick it in the envelope here. We are going to cut this to size, and you'll see here in a minute what I'm going to do with it, but I'm just going to cut it to size. I'm going to grab my trimmer, and I am just going to cut it 1 inch off of it. So just cut 1 inch off, and I'm just going to tuck this side underneath. Let me get this out of the way so you can see better. And I'm just using a little bit of tape, regular tape, and I'm just going to fold it to the back just like that, so it makes it this size. Now I'm going to end up cutting this top part, but I'll get to that part when we get there because the top part is too long, so I'm going to end up cutting it about like that. But let's get the other parts together. So let's go ahead, and the piece that you're going to need for the back part of it, this piece is 2 3/4 by 6 1/2. And then to mat it, it's 2 1/2 by 1 3/8. And then I'm going to stamp the sentiment. So let's stamp the sentiment while we have that out here. You can even use the stamp set to stamp your hearts because they have like, it says BFF. It says a lot of little different cute. It says love you. There's a lot of cute little sentiments. And I'm going to do that over again, because I need to leave a little bit of space at the end here, because we're going to kind of make it like an arrow. So I am just going to cut this down, just cutting it by hand here. I'm going to use my little snips here. And you're just going to make a little banner kind of edge there. And then this side, we're just going to do it the opposite. We're going to just go this way with it. So it kind of looks like a little bit of an arrow. I think I want to trim this just a hair though. I think on both sides. Just to make it really narrow, because this is a small piece. There we go, just like that. So I'm going to bring up the cut and emboss here, and we're going to cut out our hearts and our little Stitch So Sweetly die. You know I love these dies. I use them for so much. So the size of this Stitch So Sweetly is 2 by 3, and it looks like 3 1/8, about 3 1/8. You can just cut a square if you don't have it, but this surely looks so cute. It's really, I love the stitched edge on there. I'm going to try to fit these on here, all on here. Put that heart there. I knew I could fit it on there. And then this piece, no, I need to scoot it down. We're going to just do a white heart. And of course, I wore red for the occasion, y'all. It wasn't planned that way, but it happened that way. All right, so we have our little stitched piece right here, but doesn't it look cute with the little edge? I love that edge. I love these dies. These have been a really, I've already got my money out of it, ×2 probably at least. All right, now we're ready to put this all together. We're going to score our white piece here. And you're scoring on the 6 1/2 inch side. You're just going to score it at 1 1/2. And that's it. These come together. These are great for nursing homes, for classrooms. We're going to fold this over. And this is where I'll determine how far I want to cut my bag. So I'm going to cut it right here. So I just lay it down because this is going to come down over that like that. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I am going to use some tear and tape. And put it on here. And I run 2 pieces on here because you want to make sure it stays closed. Especially when you're giving it to kiddos. And we're going to, before you do that, close it, you want to put this piece on. So I'm going to put that on here and just center that on here. And now we're going to go ahead and lay that there on the red piece, and then you're just going to push this down and seal that. It stays really well. I did these a couple days ago and it's still staying together. And then we're going to mat this piece. All the measurements, I always put inspiration sheets on my blog the day that I post this, so you can go over there and download it if you want to. We're going to do the heart, the white heart on top of the red. That. I'm going to grab my fan. This is my favorite baker's twine, if you haven't noticed already. This is from the fan baker's twine. Right here it comes with the other 2, but I love this red and white striped. I'm using the heck out of it. So you want to wrap that around first. And I'm just going to tie a little bow to the side. I think I need a little bit more there. Just like that. And then we're going to put our heart on here. We're going to use a dimensional on that. And we'll put that right in the center. And then we're going to put on our little arrow here. And I'm just going to put it in the center because it's going to go right across the heart like that. And that is it. Look how quick and easy. Aren't those fun? And they'll really, really be cute for classrooms. Wouldn't that be cute to send to a classroom? And they're nice pieces of chocolate too, so it's not like they're getting skimped. I thought they were really cute. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed it. If you need any supplies, this is my January hostess code. You can shop from my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. Have a blessed one, everyone. I appreciate you all. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.